Very good morning, students. On last turn means yesterday I just uploaded a video where I asked you to explain few lines, underline lines. Today I am taking new paragraph. Okay, that is from page number 48, as you can see on a screen. Now we see the news of Gandhiji's advent and of the nature of his mission. So advent means Agman Kal. Okay, when we reach somewhere, so that is called advent. So the news of Gandhi's advent and of the nature of his mission spread quickly through Muzaffarpur and to Champaran. Sharecroppers from Champaran. Sharecroppers means people those who work in other field. Okay, in others field. From Champaran begin arriving on foot and by conveyance to see their champion. So, what why means what is the intention of giving you this paragraph today? I want you to make questions out of this paragraph, multiple choice questions as well, one word question, paragraph based questions, as we always as I always give you questions out of paragraph, and you have to find the answers out of that paragraph. Okay, so if you form 10 or 12 MCQs and 5 to 6 paragraph based question, write them in copy and send them to me on my WhatsApp number, so that I will check it whether you have written or not, and afterward everyone has to submit copy. Before 2 days one student came with some chart papers. They brought some quotes of Gandhiji's, but only 4, rest other students still are sleeping. Okay, so that will not work, my dear students. You all have to submit whatever the projects are given to you. You have to submit them to school. Okay, and your copies of course for correction I need. Okay, so time to time I am telling you, if you are not listening at the 11th hour, I'll not help you. Okay, if you want that ma'am now today you correct my copies, I'll not correct. So whatever things means before your half yearly exams, whatever I am teaching you, you have to write in copy, and you should get correction from me. Okay, so, the news of Gandhi's advent and of the nature of his mission spread quickly through Muzaffarpur and to Champaran. Sharecroppers from Champaran began arriving on foot and by conveyance to see their champion. Who was champion? Champion word. This is referred to Gandhiji. Muzaffarpur lawyers called on Gandhi to brief, means we give Mahatma Gandhi that much respect that G is not written, then also I am speaking G. So called on Gandhi to brief him. So means jo means like all those lawyers, those who were working with these sharecroppers, or they were working for their welfare, so they all came to meet Gandhiji. And they means Gandhiji, he wanted that people should get their rights, and they should there should be means they should be the matter should be justified as soon as possible. So he consulted some lawyers also, and they also told him everything. They means give the brief description of everything what was going on there. So they frequently represented peasants group in court. They told him about their cases and reported the size of their fee. So here, what was the question? It was means matter of fee. Gandhi chided the lawyers for collecting big fee from the sharecroppers. He said, I have come to the conclusion that we should stop going to law courts. Taking such cases to the courts does little good, where the peasants are so crushed and fear stricken. Law courts are useless. The real relief for them is to be free from fear. Okay, most of the Arab land in the Champaran district was divided into large estates owned by Englishmen and worked by Indian tenants. Okay, so first of all, you have to see from here, from there to here, fee. You have to form paragraph based questions. You have to form multiple choice questions. Okay, and each multiple choice question, okay, answer should be written just against that question. Okay, then second paragraph, which just now I have read, Gandhi. Okay, from here till talents. Okay, so these two paragraphs for today I am giving you. Okay, and I want everyone to work, okay, with it, and you have to write this work in your classwork copy and send me for correction. Okay, second thing, in small boxes there are few questions which you supposed to write in your copy. List the places that Gandhi visited between his first meeting with Shukla and his arrival at Champaran. So if you will go through the story, I have read this story for you, but once more you read, and you will find that which were those places where Gandhi visited with Shukla. Okay, and then you write that those questions in copy. Okay, list them. Then second question is, what did the peasant pay the British landlords as rent? What did the British now want instead, and why? Why would be the impact of synthetic indigo on the prices, okay, of natural indigo? So this question answer you will get in book itself. Okay, read the chapter twice, thrice. Okay, then you will easily get all the answers in the chapter only, and you need not to go through any net or anything else. Okay, so this work should be done as soon as possible, and please try to submit your copy in a school so that I may correct every Friday. All the teachers are coming. Second thing, your this before your half yearly, whatever the syllabus will be coming in half yearly, I will tell you, and before that I'll take one mock test also. Okay, everyone has to attempt this test so that it will be clear. If you will be having any doubts regarding any MCQ, regarding any means question, you can clear it. Okay, so have a nice day. Goodbye.